Hello friends, welcome to Tricks and Learn. In this video, we are going to see a complete review of EduCard Term 1 sample question paper for CBSE Class 12. So today, in this video, we are going to see a complete review and unboxing of EduCard Term 1 sample question paper books exclusively for Term 1 board exam. Okay, so now let's start the unboxing. I bought English, Physics and Chemistry. Now we can see English first of all. In English book they given the nice printing and the rate is also sufficient. Here is just higher, but if you buy in the description link it is very simple. And now they given the content, they given 11 sample papers totally. Importantly, they given the question paper design, how the questions are coming, and they given the time management, how much time you want to spend for one MCQs, like that they given important tips, OMR sheet instructions, how we want to correctly mark the OMR, likewise they given self evaluation chart, focus point, in which point we want more focus, the dictionary words, like that we in English we have many meanings, right, that meanings. So they given the sample paper released by CBSE official on 2nd September. That sample paper solved is attached in this book. And at last they given the OMR sheet of the solved sample paper. Now the second sample paper is EduCard sample paper. So they given the question. At last they given the answers as a solution. We want to self-evaluate this. As like that, they given 11 sample papers. One is CBSE sample paper, so 10 sample papers is EduCard sample paper. In this 10, 7 sample papers are solved sample papers and 3 sample papers are self-assessment sample papers. So this self-assessment sample paper is very useful. So there is no answer. If you want answer, we can check the QR code, and they given the OMR sheet. We want to mark in the OMR sheet and we want to self-evaluate in which topic they given the questions, like wait, we want to self-evaluate in the self-evaluation sheet. So this is very useful. If you buy in the link description, that is very simple. So physics book also in the same model, so in the sufficient rate only. So same important tips, time management. Here they given the self-objective map, because this year the exam is objective only, right? So they given the objective maps. The summary is very objective, one word summary, likewise they given. And they given the term 1 sample paper officially released by CBSE, solved sample paper they given. And at last, as same as English, they given the OMR solved sample paper. Sample paper 2 is completely solved sample paper. So here also 11 sample papers. 1 is CBSE sample paper, 10 is EduCard sample paper. In the 10, 7 are solved and 3 is self-assessment. So they given extra 2 sample papers. This extra 2 sample papers are sample paper 12 and sample paper 13. This 12 and 13 are available in the PDF form. We want to scan in the QR code given in the front page, and we want to download the PDF and we want to study. So sample paper 9 is self-assessment. So you want to mark in the OMR sheet and you want to correct the answers, and we want to enter the mark in the self-evaluation chart, and we want to analyze. So this is very useful to analyze self-assessment paper. So in chemistry also they given as same as English and physics. They given the content, blueprint, time management, important tips for MCQs, likewise they given. So special objective map also they given. This objective maps is really helpful. This very simple one word objective summaries are given. So this is very useful to practice MCQs. And they given 11 sample papers. 1 is CBSE sample paper and balance 10 is EduCard sample paper. In the 10, 7 sample papers are solved sample papers and 3 sample papers is self-evaluation with attached OMR and self-evaluation sheet. And they given extra sample papers as a PDF. We want to download in the content page QR code. So the plus point of EduCard sample paper book is the special objective maps they given, the self-evaluation chart. This is very useful. And the OMR sheet also they given. So it is a practice how to mark the OMR sheet. You will get a practice here. So if you want to buy this book, you can buy this book in the link given in the description box, because in that link only you will get 20% extra discount for our channel members only. So use that link given in the description box and enter the discount code EduTricks5% to get extra 5% discount for our channel members only. So learn everything, practice more sample question papers, and get an idea how CBSE sample paper will come, and get ready for board exam. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and click the all icon. Then only you will get the instant notification of my upcoming updates of term 1 board exam. and share this video to all your class 12 students because this video may be useful to them. So thank you guys, have a nice exam.